Bulldozers are essential heavy equipment in the construction industry, known for their robustness and versatility in various earth-moving tasks. Whether you're preparing a construction site, leveling terrain, or pushing materials, choosing the right bulldozer can significantly impact efficiency and productivity. Here's a roundup of the top 5 bulldozers that excel in different construction scenarios. 1. Kamatsu D475A8 The Kamatsu D475A8, heralded as the behemoth of bulldozers, is the world's largest production bulldozer, spanning 38.5 feet in length and weighing a colossal 152,000 kilograms. Powered by a formidable 1,150 horsepower Kamatsu diesel engine, it is not just a powerhouse but also brings unparalleled efficiency to the field. Capable of moving mountains literally in a single motion, it stands as a pinnacle of technological achievement. Designed to surpass expectations, the D475A8 operates globally from the United States to Australia and Japan, proving its versatility and reliability in mining operations and heavy construction. Its robust build and impressive capabilities make it an invaluable asset in the most demanding environments, demonstrating why it remains unmatched in the realm of bulldozers. 2. Caterpillar D11TCD The Caterpillar D11TCD, a colossus among bulldozers, stands out with its impressive specifications. Weighing a massive 112.72 tons and powered by a 913 horsepower Caterpillar C32 Assert engine, this Titan is built for heavy-duty earth-moving tasks. Its 6.71-meter wide blade showcases both power and precision in land-clearing operations. Capable of speeds up to 14 kilometers per hour in reverse, the D11TCD is unmatched in its class. As the largest dozer ever made by Caterpillar, it boasts a colossal blade that can move 27.2 cubic meters of earth, making even monumental tasks seem effortless. Its presence on a site signifies not just power but the promise of progress, transforming landscapes and tackling the toughest jobs with unparalleled efficiency. 3. ACC Super Bulldozer The ACC Super Bulldozer is an impressive machine known for its immense power and size. It stretches 40 feet long and carries a 23-ton blade. Powered by twin 675 horsepower Caterpillar engines, it delivers a combined 1,350 horsepower, making it a marvel of engineering. This colossal bulldozer, weighing 183 tons, was designed for monumental tasks like shaping vast landscapes. 4. Kamatsu D475A8 The Kamatsu D475A8 stands as a testament to Kamatsu's engineering prowess in the realm of dozers. Weighing an impressive 112.62 tons and driven by a robust 934 horsepower Kamatsu engine, it redefines the boundaries of construction capabilities. Spanning 11.3 meters in length and equipped with a 5.4-meter blade, this machine exemplifies power and efficiency. It can reach speeds up to 14.3 kilometers per hour, including in reverse, showcasing its agility and readiness for the most demanding tasks. More than just equipment, it serves as a beacon of productivity in any fleet, reflecting Kamatsu's dedication to innovation in heavy machinery. 5. Shantou SD90C5 The Shantou SD90C5 emerges as a giant in the world of construction and earthmoving, weighing over 106 tons. Powered by a formidable 950 horsepower engine, designed for the most demanding tasks, the SD90C5 is not merely a machine but a versatile powerhouse adept at land clearing, construction, and more. In conclusion, choosing the right bulldozer depends on the specific requirements of your construction project, including terrain type, project scale, and environmental considerations. Whether you prioritize power, efficiency, or operator comfort, these top 5 bulldozers represent the pinnacle of construction equipment technology, ensuring optimal performance and reliability on any job site. If you enjoyed our video, subscribe for more great content. Thanks.